Christmas Day is on our heels, and I know we all have a lot to do on our to-do list. Today I am doing a clean and decorate to prepare for our guests. Thanks to our friends at JCPenney for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to also share how simple it was to create this beautiful tablescape and the convenience and the variety all in one place, saving time for your busy life when you shop at JCPenney. Our kitchen eating nook is in need of some cleaning. Our screened-in porch is right off of our kitchen and it can get quite dusty very quickly. After putting away all of our Thanksgiving decor, it was time to get the space situated with the rest of our Christmas decor. I always like to start my way from the top, working my way down to the bottom, and I'm using my duster to get any of those dust bunnies that are in those crevices. And I like to take my time with cleaning the chandelier because it's a little delicate with all the crystals on it. I'm using my duster to get any loose dust that may have fallen onto the table, and then I'll vacuum it at the end. Now I'm using this soft bristle brush to loosen any dust off our shutters. It's my favorite. Once every 2 weeks I will go over our shutters with this brush, and you can get it from any home store. Then I will use our vacuum attachment to get the dust in the windowsill. I'm using my favorite glass cleaner to get any grime or grease off the windows. I love using this cleaner because it doesn't leave any streaks. And over on our kitchen island, I tackle the lighting again, taking my time dusting the inside of the shade. And I always love to use this sticky lint roller to get any loose dust off the shade. I'm giving our table a quick clean to get the dust off the table, and when I'm all done dusting, I will go in with my big boy vacuum and get any dust or dirt that's on the floor. Now it's time to decorate the table. I'm using a few items to create a beautiful yet traditional tablescape using key pieces that are from JCPenney. They have everything you need to refresh your home, and my focus is the centerpiece. And I'm using 3 of these Snowy Day lighted holiday cones, 1 large and 2 smaller trees. These trees are very subtle with yarn and very little glitter. It's battery operated with 2 settings. One has a twinkle, the other has lights that stay on. It really resembles a snowy day. The Certified International Holly and Ivy 4-piece appetizer plate screams traditional with its woodland-inspired detail and colorful winter birds and deer. Quality, style, and great prices. JCPenney is my go-to. These design import 6-piece napkin rings with a beautiful textured design that's letting me serve beauty with every holiday meal. I'm placing garland, leaving room in the middle to place my trees, and I love that you can place the battery pack under the tree to hide it. And I'm also placing my candle votives that many of you have seen for a little extra sparkle, and a few of my flea market find trees are placed unintentionally to fill in the gaps in between the garland. And I'm placing succulents and eucalyptus in the center. Succulents mixed with Christmas garland with rich shades of greens will really take your Christmas garland to the next level. I'm using the same exact dishes I use on my fall buffet, and they are also from JCPenney, and I'll leave that link down below in case you missed this setup using their key pieces. This is the Amberley dinnerware set that's elegant enough for a formal dinner with the foliage detail, or you can use them for your everyday meals. I love these dishes. I've placed the appetizer plate on top of the salad plate, again just adding impactful pieces to what I already have. I've added 2 of my battery operated candles into my votives, and I wanted to give you guys a look of how soft and sweet these Christmas trees and the candles look when it's about to get dark outside. I turn the trees on every evening, and I just love how I've lit up this little area. I hope my ideas has inspired you to create something special for your family and friends. They may not remember what they ate, but they will remember all the thought you put behind on making the meal very memorable. You can shop online now or visit your nearest JCPenney to refresh your home for the holidays, and I want to thank you all for watching.